Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple tawa chicken roast recipe. I'm going to use some simple spices that we use on our daily life. It's a very simple recipe and a yummy one. Come on, let's get started. For the chicken roast, I have taken 4 chicken pieces. I'm using thigh and leg pieces today. So I have made slits here so that the masalas can get inside the chicken pieces well. To this, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, salt as required, juice of half a lime, half a teaspoon soya sauce, 1.5 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of peri peri masala and half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix all these well. Now I'm going to cover this with a lid and let this marinate for a minimum of 2 hours. It's better if you use a cast iron pan to make this recipe. So to a cast iron pan, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now the oil is hot. Let's place the chicken pieces. It should be sizzling hot when you place the chicken pieces. Let this cook on high flame for 2 minutes, after which we can flip and cook the other side for 2 more minutes. Within 2 minutes, let's flip the chicken and cook the other side for 2 more minutes. Now it's been 2 minutes. I'm going to cover this with a lid and then cook this chicken for 10 to 15 minutes. And now our chicken pieces are well cooked. Let's turn off the flame and serve this. And now you saw how to make this recipe, right? It's a very simple recipe. It's just the marination. If you marinate it, and you can also store this in freezer after marination, and you can make this recipe in hardly 10-15 minutes after you take it out of the fridge. So definitely give this a try. Do try and share your valuable feedback in the comment section below. If you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe or another interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye.